Welcome to another installment of Chris's Tech Corner, where Chris showcases a new product, feature, or technology from the world of Ideoli. Take it away, Chris.
Ideoli's new ring chandeliers are a very exciting new product for us. It's an ultra slimline ring that comes in multiple diameters, and we can also offer it in different types of installs.
Leading edge technology with the end user in mind always.
The flexibility in our ring chandeliers is amazing. We can offer architects, designers, interior designers, lighting designers, different ways that they can orient these rings, whether it's via the rigid stem or the loose cables. They can have it more of a sort of cake type tiered application, or they can even angle them and have them sort of interact more like rings.
And there you have it. Something new about our products. Thanks, Chris.